And breaking news coming in, Maharashtra has reported 7 fresh cases of the Omicron variant on Friday. And what is more worrying is that the new cases include a 3.5-year-old child. Among the 7 new cases, 3 are from Mumbai and 4 are from Pimpri Chinchwad. With these 7 fresh cases, the Omicron tally in the state of Maharashtra has now reached to 17, while the nationwide Omicron tally stands at 32. So big news coming in right now. Maharashtra has reported 7 fresh cases of Omicron variant, and this includes a 3.5-year-old child. And among these 7 new cases that have been reported in the state of Maharashtra, 3 have been detected in the city of Mumbai and 4 are from Pimpri Chinchwad area. And with these fresh 7 cases, the Omicron tally in Maharashtra has now reached to 17, and the nationwide tally now stands at 32, of course, spread across 5 states. So this is the latest that we are getting on the Omicron threat. In fact, Shweta Verma is on the phone line to give more details. Shweta, very worrying news from the state of Maharashtra now that the tally has reached up to 17.
Well, yes, Maharashtra tally when it comes to Omicron cases has reached to 17, wherein more fresh cases of Omicron have been added in the state tally when it comes to Omicron. Now, among these 7 cases, 3.5-year-old child has been infected with Omicron, and that's really concerning. And when we talk about these new 7 cases, 3 are from Mumbai and 4 are from Pimpri Chinchwad. And all these 7 cases of Omicron has taken the tally up to 17, and the nationwide tally stands at 32. Now, all the patients were being treated earlier, but these 3 patients which are from Mumbai are all male, aging between 48, 25 and 37. And when we speak about their travel history, a few belong to Tanzania, UK, and then South Africa. And the health department has given all these official data, what we are letting our viewers to know about it. And as per BMC, the person who has traveled from Tanzania, he is also a resident of Dharavi. That's the most populated slum area, as we know. And one more concerning piece of news, what we are getting to know about this Tanzania person who has traveled is he is being, in fact, an asymptomatic case, and he has been isolated before he mingled up with the community. This is what BMC has informed us. And other few patients, what we are talking about, are from Pune side. That's the Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation.
Right, Shweta, thank you for sharing all those details with us.